Welcome to my brand new video. In this video, I will talk about swimming pool for your baby or for your kid. So this is the image of Intex rectangular pool, which one is awesome because I have used this one and that's why I'm suggesting you or recommending you. So this is the actual price, 890, and if you want to use this one you need one thing, and that is this pump. Okay, and this one is optional. I will show you. I have purchased all these three things and I will show you in my order book. So if you want to go ahead with like reviews, you can go ahead, but as I have used this one, you can simply go ahead and use. So if you have any questions, you can ask. Is it suitable for 11-year-old baby? Yes, it is suitable. If required, it can be sold by us too. Okay, so it is like you can use. Can you search which type of swimming pool is out for 7-year-old baby? The pool you choose is the perfect one for 7-year boy. Rest are smaller. So you can see the image. It is big, and so this will be the size. Okay, and sometime your baby will love sleeping on this. Yes, my baby also do the same thing. Okay, so the next, so if you see overall ratings are good. See, in some cases I don't know, not of any worth, but I got good one. So you have option to return also, don't worry about this, but this product is good. So let me show you my baby here playing. So if you want to buy this swimming pool, then you have to buy this one. Yes, just to pump that one. So swimming pool tubes, Tozy, airbags and mattresses. You can use this one for different purposes. So don't worry about that. And if you want ball, then you can go ahead with ball. So let me show you my order. So I have purchased this one Intex in flavor rectangular, like 13 August 2021, and I have purchased the ball also. And then I have purchased this one Nirvik multi-purpose electric pump for quick inflats. At the time of purchasing this swimming pool, my kid age was something 2 years. 2 years, 3 months or 4 months. Okay, so I think you got idea. I have given my details with you. So if you really are interested in this swimming pool, you must go and get it, and if possible I will give the link of these all products in my description box. You just go ahead and play with your kid, because your kid is king or queen. For now, bye bye.